How to get WhatsApp Meta AI. If any day you are a WhatsApp user and you would like to get your WhatsApp Meta AI but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very WhatsApp application on your mobile device. You have to find the very WhatsApp application and then tap on it. But before that, you have to make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated. For that, you can go to your Play Store application on your mobile device, and in the search icon, you can search WhatsApp out there. After you search WhatsApp out there, now if you see the option of update, you have to update your very application. Otherwise, if your application is already updated, now you have to go to the option of open there, and this way WhatsApp will be launched on your mobile device. After WhatsApp is launched on your very mobile device, now you have to go to the next option. That is, you can go to any of the chat on your very mobile device. You have to tap on any of the chat on your mobile device for that. So after you tap on the chat like this, now here you have to just go to the message like icon in the message box on the downside, and in the downside you have to tap Meta AI and then send it. Now after you send it, it will be that Meta AI will be updated on your mobile device, but in most of the places Meta AI in WhatsApp has not been brought again, and it's only limited to some of the countries, and if it's not available in your country, then you won't find the very application feature on your mobile device even after doing all of these steps, because you have to wait for a while until the WhatsApp developer bring this concept within your entire country as well. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.